Start by saying that this looks absolutely amazing. Like, it's amazing how good this turned out. I'm excited to dig in. Wow.
What do you think?
Amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, it's full of flavour, just like bam.
It's salty, it's sweet, it's spicy, it's everything, you know. It's a bit sour. The pineapple adds a nice acidity to the dish as well. Oh my god.
It's really good, eh? We're trying out a new style of video as well on the channel. We want to use ASMR videos to not only entertain, but also try and teach you guys recipes that are like very accessible and easy for people who are just starting to learn how to cook. Providing entertainment with some beautifully shot ASMR videos whilst teaching you guys how to cook at the same time. That's what we're going to try and move the channel towards in terms of the direction moving forward. Let us know what you guys think about these new sort of ASMR videos, and we really hope you enjoy this recipe. That's it from us. Thank you so much for watching. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. We'll be doing ASMR recipes from now on. Give us a subscribe down below and hit that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos on Simple Cookery. What do we want on Simple Cookery? On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you guys get more confident
in the kitchen.
Bye-bye.